guys, I'm back. Don't mind my skin, it looks horrible. It's been a while since I did a makeup video, so that's what I'm doing. Today we're going to be doing a fall girl makeup look. We're going to be trying it out, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so first I'm going to wear some foundation. It's been a while since I wore foundation, so yeah. Next, we're gonna blend it. The foundation is done, and now we're gonna go in with some concealer. Next, I'm just gonna add some powder because I don't want to look too light. Next, I'm gonna go in with some contour. I haven't done contour in forever, so yeah, we're gonna use this shade, of course. Next, I'm gonna add some light powder on my under eyes. Next, we're gonna add some blush. Blush is my favorite part. Don't mind how it looks, it's all messy, but next, I'm just gonna put some blush here. Next, I'm just gonna use contour as eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this shade. Next, I'm just gonna add some highlighter on there. Next, I'm just gonna apply some highlighter on my nose. Next, we're gonna add some mascara. Next, I'm gonna add some plum tinted lip balm. Last, I'm gonna add some lip gloss. Don't forget setting spray. Hey guys, here it is. Very simple and natural. Don't mind my hair. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I know fall is almost ending soon, but hopefully I'm not too late on this. Anyways, thanks for watching this video and keep up for more, and don't forget to subscribe. So anyways, bye.